Welcome to ChallengED, where you take on the role of a classroom teacher, navigating the trials and triumphs of a typical school day. Your mission? Make it through to the end of the day with your sanity intact. As the bell rings, your day begins. But be prepared, it won't be easy. You'll face a variety of challenges, from managing unruly students to keeping the lesson engaging. Your choices matter. Will you address the disruptive behavior head-on or try to diffuse the situation with empathy? The way you handle each challenge will impact your students' behavior and your own stress level.
I don't understand this math problem.
I need to speak with you urgently.
Dual challenge. You're faced with a student in need of help and an unexpected interruption from the principal. How will you prioritize? Will you provide quick assistance to the student before attending to the principal's request, or delegate the student's needs to a peer helper while you address the principal? Remember, time is ticking away, and there's only so much you can accomplish in a day. Balancing teaching, discipline, and student engagement is the key to success. Stay resilient, stay focused, and remember why you became a teacher in the first place. Your impact on these students' lives is invaluable. Congratulations, you've made it through another day in the classroom, but the challenges don't end here. Will you return tomorrow, ready to face whatever comes your way? Challenge, where every day is a new adventure in education. Are you up for the challenge?